Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If the jump lists on your taskbar are not working, then watch this video for the solution. The first thing is we need to make sure that the jump lists are enabled. So for that we'll right click on the start button, go to the settings, then we'll click on the personalization tab, we'll scroll down to the start, click on that, and we will make sure that this is on. Show recently opened items in start, jump list and file explorer. Now once we do that, jump list should enable. If that doesn't work, then we need to restart Windows Explorer. We can do that by going to the task manager, right click on it and click on run as administrator, and we will look for Windows Explorer. Right click on Windows Explorer and click on restart, and that should fix the issue. But if it doesn't, then we need to restart the computer and it should work now after you restart the computer. Finally, if none of these solutions work, then we need to rebuild the jump list, and we'll do that by copying this command, which you will find in the description of this video, and we will open the run dialog box by pressing Windows and the R key simultaneously, and we'll copy this command here and press enter, and then we will have to delete all these files. So just click on one file and press Ctrl A. It'll copy all the files and then you press on delete. All right, and some files will not get deleted because they are active on the system, but the rest of the files will get deleted, and you need to restart your computer and your jump list should start working once you right click on the taskbar. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel and have a good day.